One common issue that comes up when contemplating should I learn and build an online business is how am I going to organize myself with my current business, job, or career? So I'm going to show you some tricks that I learned in order to do that. So this is a view of Jennifer's living room. I have a home office. I'm really lucky because I live in a beautiful area in Dubai that looks over the Palm Jumeirah. So if you look at my desk area, that's my home office. And what I have here is the first step in me organizing myself, which is my whiteboard that has my kind of manifestation, affirmation on the top, and then on the left-hand side, all the different tasks that I need to do for my online business, and then the right-hand side, all the tasks that I need to do for my consulting business, and on the bottom, my personal stuff. So that's kind of like my main project board. And of course it's a whiteboard so I can add and subtract things really easily. Stuart Ross, who is the founder of Six Figure Mentors, gave a really good tip when he was speaking in Charlotte at one of the Momentum Days. And he says sometimes we struggle in trying to figure out what to do every day. We make a big list of things and we either choose the easiest things or the hardest things. But what he suggests is to make a list every day and write at the top the things I am going to do today to ensure that I feel amazing by the end of the day. And in that way, you can figure out what are the tasks that are going to give you the feeling of fulfillment and make you feel like you've really accomplished your days. And in the world of entrepreneurship, which is partly building an online business, is running your own show, it's really important to have that feeling of success every day. So if that's waking up and writing a proposal for your business or creating a new web page for your online business or just doing a yoga practice, if that's what you need to do today to ensure that you feel amazing by the end of the day, well, you've got your task laid out for you.